Why is this jump in telescope technology so impressive, and why is it so important?
So when we compare it to Hubble, which was state of the art 30 years ago, and Webb gives us a much bigger mirror at 6.5 meters versus 2.4.
Ever discovered now is more than 3,000. So what makes Proxima b interesting is that it's an Earth-like planet orbiting the nearest star to the sun.
The James Webb Space Telescope, one of the most powerful machines ever made, picked up a signal from deep in space. But it wasn't just any ordinary sound. When NASA scientists saw it, they were shocked. And instead of telling the world, they stayed quiet. What could be so big, so unexpected, that NASA doesn't want us to know? Tune in, because we are about to uncover the truth hidden in the stars that the government doesn't want you to know. NASA's new signal stuns the world. The James Webb Telescope. You've probably heard about it. It's the shiny new toy that's supposed to see farther than anything else, picking up signals that have been traveling through the cosmos for billions of years. Hubble gave us pretty pictures, but Webb takes it up a notch. It's like comparing a flashlight to a spotlight. Webb doesn't just look, it sees everything, especially in infrared. And this time it picked up something that wasn't supposed to be there. At least not in the usual, here's another boring cosmic wave way. This was different, like something intelligent, or at least something that's trying to be intelligent. Before we delve into this, one thing is certain. The truth behind this signal is far more startling than anyone expected. And trust me, this won't be the only thing that leaves you speechless. Space is messy, it's noisy, it's chaotic, and most of the time it's a whole lot of nothing. Stars explode, black holes gobble up stuff, and in between there's a lot of empty space filled with static. But this signal wasn't just static, it had a pulse, like a drumbeat coming from somewhere impossibly far away. It's rare to find something so organized in space. Everything's usually chaotic and random. But this, it repeated itself. It was like someone or something was knocking on our cosmic door. And now everyone is wondering, should we answer? NASA's reaction? Dead silence. They usually love showing off. Remember all those fancy photos of galaxies and exploding stars? But now with this one weird signal, suddenly it's hush-hush. No tweets, no press releases, just crickets. It's like they don't know what they're dealing with, or maybe they know, and they're not ready to freak everyone out. Either way, the silence is deafening, and the conspiracy theorists are having a field day. Are they hiding something big, or are they just trying to figure out what the heck they're looking at before they let the world know? And while NASA keeps quiet, the internet's doing what it does best, making up wild theories. The most popular one? Aliens, of course. If you were an alien civilization wanting to chat, you'd probably send a signal that stands out from the noise, right? Something with a structure, a message. It's what we do. And now everyone's imagining what's out there. Is it a friendly hello or something a bit more ominous? Or maybe it's just some cosmic event that we haven't figured out yet. But the idea that it might be aliens? That's way more fun to think about. If this signal is from some advanced alien tech, just think about that for a second. These aren't some random bacteria clinging to a rock in space. This would be something big, something powerful. Technology so advanced that they can send a message across the universe that we're only now picking up. The James Webb was designed to look back in time, to see the beginnings of galaxies. Instead, it might have found a sign of life, and not just any life, something advanced enough to reach across the stars. And that's got people at NASA losing sleep. Of course, the scientists are split. Half of them are like, let's not jump to conclusions. This could just be some weird natural phenomenon. Space is full of surprises. But the other half, they're practically bouncing in their lab chairs, thinking we might be on the edge of making first contact. It's a mix of caution and excitement, and no one really knows what comes next. Do we send a message back? Do we ignore it and hope they're friendly if they show up? The possibilities are endless, and none of them are boring. Now, if we did get a message from an alien civilization, think about what that means for us down here. It's not all cool spaceships and intergalactic handshakes. A discovery like this would mess with a lot of things. People's beliefs, our understanding of life, everything. Some people would see it as proof of something greater, others as a threat. It'd be a whole new chapter for humanity, and not everyone's going to be thrilled. The big question is, do we even want to know who's out there? Or are we better off keeping our heads down and pretending we're alone? As we look closer, the question grows. Could this signal be natural, or is someone trying to talk to us? A signal we can't explain. The technical side of all this is just as crazy. Imagine getting a signal from across the universe. First, you've got to figure out what it's saying, if it's even saying anything at all. It could be an entire language we've never heard, using logic that doesn't make sense to us. Decoding that is a job that'd take decades, maybe more. But if we manage to understand even a tiny part of it, it could be the key to learning about a civilization that's completely different from anything we've known. But there's also the very real possibility that this is just a cosmic glitch, some natural event we haven't cataloged yet. The universe is full of strange things, and new phenomena pop up all the time. Maybe it's a star doing something weird, or a black hole we don't understand yet. Still, even that's exciting. It's proof that the universe has more tricks up its sleeve than we give it credit for, and that there's always something new waiting to be discovered. While we wait for NASA to make up its mind, it's hard not to wonder what's really going on. Maybe they're being cautious, maybe they're stumped, or maybe, just maybe, they know something they're not ready to share. Whatever the case, the fact that Webb has found something so strange already, after not even being up there that long, makes you think, what else is out there? What's waiting to be found, and are we ready for it when we do? The James Webb Space Telescope has barely begun its work, and already it's sending back signals that we can't quite explain. Whether this is just another problem in the universe or the start of something much bigger, one thing's for sure, space just got a whole lot more interesting. So as we sit here waiting for someone to give us an update, maybe it's time to ask ourselves, do we want to know what's out there, or are we better off in the dark? Space exploration has always had an element of wonder, the thrill of the unknown, the pull of uncharted territory. And with the James Webb Telescope, that unknown has just gotten a little bit closer. Webb is different from the other telescopes we've had before. It's like turning up the brightness on a dark room, and suddenly you're seeing things you didn't know were there. It's peering back into the beginnings of the universe, searching for the oldest galaxies, and maybe, just maybe, catching glimpses of other civilizations. We're seeing the universe not just as it is, but as it was billions of years ago. Imagine that for a second. Webb is looking so far back that it's basically seeing the past, and now, amidst all that ancient starlight, it's picked up something unexpected, something that doesn't fit neatly into our understanding of space. We're used to thinking of space as a vast, empty place dotted with stars and planets, but there's more out there than meets the eye. There's movement, there's sound, there's energy, and sometimes there's a signal that makes you wonder if you're truly alone. The first time scientists detected the signal, it must have been one of those moments where you're not sure if you're seeing what you think you're seeing. They probably checked and rechecked the data, looking for anything that could explain it away. But it wasn't a glitch, and it wasn't interference. The signal had a structure, a pattern that repeated in a way that random cosmic noise doesn't. It was like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. Not just any needle, but one that seemed to have been put there on purpose. It's easy to jump to conclusions when you hear about something like this. The idea of extraterrestrial life is so ingrained in our culture that the thought of a signal from another civilization feels almost inevitable. We've been waiting for it, hoping for it, fearing it. But it's important to keep a level head. There are countless phenomena in space that we don't fully understand. The signal could be the result of something natural that's simply new to us. A star doing something odd, a black hole behaving in a way we've never seen before. The universe has a way of surprising us, and not every surprise has to be a sign of alien life. With NASA staying so quiet, people can't help but wonder, are we really close to the biggest discovery ever? A signal beyond our imagination. Still, the possibility is there, and that's what has everyone on edge. If it's not just a natural phenomenon, if it really is a message, then what does that mean? The idea that another civilization is out there trying to communicate is as exhilarating as it is terrifying. Are they friendly? Are they curious about us, like we are about them? Or is it something else entirely? We've always imagined what it would be like to make contact, but now that we might be on the verge of it, the reality is a lot more complicated than the movies make it seem. Think about what it would take for a civilization to send a signal like this. We're talking about technology that's advanced beyond anything we have. The ability to send a message across the vast emptiness of space, knowing that it might not be heard for millions of years, takes a level of sophistication that's hard to wrap your head around. And if they're out there, if they're sending messages, then they're probably advanced enough to come find us if they want to. That's the part that makes you wonder, are we ready for that kind of attention? The signal that Webb picked up is like a whisper from the dark. It's faint, it's far away, and it's unlike anything we've heard before. Scientists are analyzing it, trying to determine if it's really a message or just some odd cosmic noise. They're looking at the frequency, the timing, the structure, everything that might give them a clue. And while they're doing that, the rest of us are left to speculate. Is it aliens? Is it something else? Whatever it is, it's enough to get people talking. And that's the beauty of space exploration. It makes you ask questions, it makes you wonder, and sometimes it makes you dream. NASA's silence is what's fueling a lot of the speculation. Normally, they're quick to share what they find, but not this time. Maybe they're trying to be cautious, to avoid jumping to conclusions before they have all the facts. Or maybe they're dealing with something that's so big, so potentially world-changing, that they need to figure out how to tell us. Either way, the silence speaks volumes, and it's got people wondering if we're on the verge of something huge. The idea that NASA might be keeping things hidden isn't new, but when it comes to something like this, it's hard not to get a little suspicious. If this signal is from an intelligent source, then we're looking at one of the biggest discoveries in human history. It would change everything. Our understanding of the universe, our place in it, even our future. We'd have to rethink so much of what we know, and that kind of change doesn't come easy. There would be excitement, sure, but also fear. People don't always react well to the unknown, and the idea of not being alone in the universe is about as unknown as it gets. It's one thing to imagine aliens in movies or books, but it's another thing entirely to face the reality that they might actually be out there. The scientific community is buzzing with speculation, but they're also cautious. No one wants to jump to conclusions and announce something that turns out to be wrong. The stakes are too high, but the fact that they're even entertaining the possibility of extraterrestrial life shows just how unusual this signal is. It's not something they can easily explain away, and that's what makes it so intriguing. It's a reminder that, for all we know about the universe, there's still so much that we don't. There are still things out there, waiting to be solved, and that's what makes space exploration so exciting. If this signal is real, if it's truly from another civilization, then the next steps are crucial. Scientists would need to verify it to make sure it's not just some anomaly or interference. Other telescopes would need to be trained on the same part of the sky, looking for any sign of the signal repeating. And if it does repeat, if it really is a message, then the real work begins. Deciphering a message from an alien civilization isn't like decoding a confidential code. It's a whole different level of complexity. We're talking about a civilization that might not think like us, that might not communicate like us. Figuring out what they're saying, if they're saying anything at all, would be a massive challenge. Now, with so much unknown, we have to ask ourselves if reaching out is worth it, or if we're getting into something beyond our control. Webb's signal could change everything, but it's a challenge worth taking on. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, especially intelligent life, would be the kind of thing that changes everything. It would be a moment that future generations look back on as a turning point. We'd go from being a species that's alone in the universe to one that knows there's something more out there. It would open up possibilities we can't even begin to imagine. New technologies, new ways of thinking, new questions to answer. It's the kind of discovery that could push humanity forward in ways we can't predict. Of course, there are also risks. Contacting an alien civilization isn't without its dangers. We have no idea what they might be like. They could be friendly, curious, interested in learning about us, or they could be something else entirely, something that sees us as a resource or a threat. The history of human exploration is full of examples of what happens when two civilizations meet, and it's not always pretty. There's a reason why some scientists think we should be cautious about announcing our presence to the universe. Once you let the cat out of the bag, there's no putting it back in. But even with the risks, the potential rewards are too great to ignore. The chance to learn about another civilization, to understand how they live, how they think, is something that's hard to pass up. It's the kind of thing that could answer some of the biggest questions we've ever had. Are we alone? How did life begin? What else is out there? These are questions that have driven humanity for centuries, and now we might be closer than ever to finding the answers. It's a thrilling thought, and it's one that keeps scientists going, even when the answers seem impossible to find. As we wait for more information, it's hard not to get caught up in the possibilities. The idea that we might not be alone, that there's someone else out there, is as exciting as it is terrifying. It's a reminder that the universe is bigger, stranger, and more full of wonder than we can imagine. And whether this signal turns out to be a message from another civilization or just another strange phenomenon, it's a sign that there's still so much out there to discover. The James Webb Telescope is just getting started, and already it's showing us that the universe is far from boring. There's always something new to find, something that makes us question what we know and pushes us to learn more. The James Webb Telescope has the potential to change everything we know about space. It's not just about finding pretty pictures of galaxies or learning about distant stars. It's about answering the big questions, the ones that have kept humanity wondering for centuries. Are we alone? What else is out there? And now, with this strange signal, we might be closer than ever to finding out. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, full of surprises, and that we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's out there. So as we sit here, waiting for more news, it's worth taking a moment to think about what this all means. The universe is big, bigger than we can comprehend, and it's full of possibilities. Whether this signal is a message from another civilization or just another strange phenomenon, it's a sign that there's still so much to learn. And that's what makes space exploration so exciting. It's not just about the answers, it's about the questions, the possibilities, and the hope that maybe, just maybe, we're not alone. Whatever happens next, one thing's for sure. The universe just got a whole lot more interesting, and we're lucky to be here to see it. Is this forbidden signal just space noise? Or could it be something far more advanced? Maybe even a message we're not supposed to hear? Tell us what you think, and remember to like and subscribe for more.